In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI influencer Leonardo AI. By the end, you'll know how to generate a believable AI persona, keep the look consistent across posts, polish the visuals, launch on social platforms, and set up smart ways to grow and monetize. Start by opening Leonardo AI. In the prompt box, write a clear, detailed description so the model understands the vibe you want. Think about age, hair, makeup style, lighting, platform aesthetic, and realism. For example, beautiful young female influencer, long brown hair, natural makeup, soft lighting, Instagram style, realistic high detail, 4K. Set the aspect ratio to 1:1 or 4:5, which fits feeds and vertical posts well. Choose a realistic model to keep things photo real. Generate multiple images and scan through them carefully. You're looking for the best base face, the one you want to represent your influencer. Save the prompt and your favorite image so you can refer back to them. Next, lock in face consistency. Reuse the same prompt and switch to image. Upload your chosen base face as the reference. From here, change only the pose, angle, or background while keeping the core facial features intact. This is the trick that makes your AI influencer feel like a real person over time. Keep adjustments subtle and stay true to the original mood so the identity remains stable. Now diversify content styles, generate images with outfit changes, new locations, and everyday activities like gym sessions, coffee breaks, or travel moments. You can say, same woman wearing gym outfit, fitness setting, natural lighting. Consistent identity plus varied settings creates a believable feed that feels alive. Polish your images in Canva or Photoshop. Apply gentle filters for a cohesive look. Add optional text overlays and include branding elements. Stick to a consistent color palette and type style so your audience recognizes your posts instantly. Create social accounts on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook and treat them like real influencer profiles. Add a clear profile picture, a concise bio that matches the persona, and a cohesive grid aesthetic to set expectations. Build a personality and story your audience can connect with, like digital creator sharing daily life or fitness girl helping beginners. A defined niche makes content planning and audience growth easier. Post consistently. Mix outfit posts, lifestyle shots, POV style captions, and short reels or videos made with AI video tools. Aim for a steady cadence so the algorithm and your followers know when to expect updates. Finally, monetize. Explore affiliate marketing, brand collaborations, selling your own products, or dropshipping. Choose offers that align with the persona so promotions feel authentic. That's it. Generate, stay consistent, polish, post, and grow.